Minister in charge Public Health Engineering PHE Renington Lyngdoh Tongkhar informed that the department will complete 100% sanctioning of the scheme under Jal Jeevan Mission by December this year. Speaking to reporters, Tongkhar said fine progress of work will happen after the monsoon season. He said 50% of the work will be completed by September. The minister informed that the cost of pipes has also come down, which is good news for the local contractors who are implementing the Jal Jeevan Mission in the state.
I can assure you that in terms of sanctioning the scheme, we will be able to complete 100% as targeted in terms of sanctioning. So we will reach, we will achieve something out of our target. So our target is not baseless, because if we achieve the sanctioning of the scheme also, that also is a big achievement, to sanction 100%. And I can assure you that we will be able to do that.